Hello, this is Lorenzo from Espresso, and in this video, I'll show you how to set up a New Year's Eve party with Espresso. If you need to sell tickets to an upcoming New Year's Eve party, then this video is for you. So let's dive right in, and I'll go ahead and enter in a title. So we'll say New Year's Eve party. And then I'll paste in some details about the party so we can take a look at them together. So for this upcoming party, we will have individual tickets, VIP tickets, and reserved private cabanas. And the party starts at 9 p.m. on the 31st, and it wraps up the next day at 2 a.m. And here is details on the pricing. So a single ticket is $75, a VIP ticket is $250. And a reserved private cabana for up to 8 guests is $1,000. Okay, so those are the details that we'll use. I'll now scroll down so we can go ahead and continue setting up the event. So I'm going to click on the event start and then set it for the 31st and use the slider to shift it until 9 p.m. Then I'll click on done. And then I'll set the event end time for 2 a.m. So it's already on the 1st, but I'll use this and move it in the opposite direction. So now it's set for 2 a.m. so I can click on done. Now we can set up the pricing. So we'll start with the first one. So we have ticket. And let's sell these up until the day of. But let's close it out a few hours before. All right, so let's say we'll wrap this up December 31st at 5 p.m. Give people a last minute chance to book. So I'll click on done. And now let's set the price for the individual tickets. So that's $75. We're going to clear out the quantity option for now. And what I could do is I could click on create ticket here and then set up the next option, but I actually am going to use the duplicate option to save a little bit of time. So I'm going to click on it twice, so 1, 2, and then I can start updating some of the details. So now I'll replace this with VIP ticket, and the price on that one will be $250. And then let's set up the last option. So reserved private cabana for 8. All right. So now I'm going to click on the gear icon here for the reserved private cabana, and it's going to expand, and we're going to take a look at the minimum and the maximum quantity. Now this option will allow up to 8 guests, so we're actually going to set the minimum and the maximum for 8, and then we're going to update the price. So the price will be $125, and the math on that is 8 times 125 will equal 1,000. Okay, so I'll close that out. So we just set up the event date along with the 3 pricing options. I'm now going to scroll up and click on the Save Draft button here. And now let's follow this link and take a look at the upcoming party on the front end. So I'll follow it here. And here are the details for the New Year's Eve party. So if I wanted to book a single ticket, I could go with 1. Or let's say myself and some friends are going in on a private cabana. I could just click on 8. And then click on register now and continue with the registration process. So that is an overview of how you can set up a New Year's Eve party using Espresso. Thanks.